You buy the wrong bedroom AC, and the room still feels sticky at bedtime. Then you're choosing between compressor racket, a bad window fit, or a portable unit eating floor space. So this guide sorts cooling power by real setup pain. Match the BTU to the room, respect the window, and don't ignore compressor noise beside your pillow. Let's move. Number 1. The Friedrich Chill Premier Inverter CV08A10A. If your bedroom is big and your window can take a unit, I'd start here. It's the strongest sleep-first window pick here because it's inverter-based, not a basic on-off box. The useful boundary is clear: 350 square feet listed coverage and 8,000 BTU/HRDOE capacity. That means a larger bedroom makes sense, not a tiny room you barely use. The trade-off is installation, because window units turn cooling into a lifting and sealing job. It also has an inside noise score of 9.3, so it's the calmest bedroom bed here. I wouldn't buy it if your lease blocks window units. Also skip it if out of stock, makes the whole plan annoying. Number 2. The Frigidaire FHWC054TE1. Got a normal small bedroom and a window that actually works? I'd pick this over the barebones Frigidaire if bedside control matters. Its lane is tighter, 150 square feet listed coverage with 5,000 BTU/HRDOE capacity. That points to a typical bedroom, not a primary suite with sun baking the walls. The proof is that compact roll plus a remote, which matters at midnight. Now the trade-off is the non-inverter compressor, so it can feel less smooth than Friedrich. Its inside noise score is 7.5, which is fine, but not the quietest here. Skip it for larger rooms, Wi-Fi control, or an inverter-first shortlist. Number 3. The Frigidaire FFRA051WAE. This is the cheap-feeling pick I'd still consider when the room is small. You buy it because you want cold air, not a polished bedroom gadget. The capacity is familiar, 5,000 BTU/HRDOE, with 250 square feet listed coverage. So it's still aimed at smaller bedrooms, but the controls are the whole catch. You get physical dials, no remote control, and a non-inverter compressor. That keeps the workflow simple, yet it also means walking over at night. Its inside noise score is 6.9, so I'd avoid it for twitchy sleepers. Skip it if you want precise digital temperature control, Wi-Fi, or bedtime adjustments. Number 4. The Midea Duo MAP12S1TBL. If a window unit is banned, this is the one I'd look at first. It's a dual-hose portable, so it solves the setup problem without pretending it's magic. The headline is 10,000 BTU/HRDOE capacity and 550 square feet listed coverage. That gives it room to handle bigger bedrooms on paper. But the portable trade-off matters, because the compressor lives inside your room. Window units usually have the efficiency and noise advantage there. The upside is inverter compressor technology, plus an inside noise score of 8.6. So I'd buy it for a lease problem, not for maximum efficiency. Skip it if floor space is tight or compressor sounds bug you. If you can mount a window unit, Friedrich is the strongest bedroom pick. FHWC054TE1 is the remote control, small room choice. FFRA051WAE is the manual controls budget play. Midea is the lease-friendly portable, but you give up the window unit efficiency edge. Before you buy, measure the room, confirm the window rules, and decide who lifts the unit. Then check current availability, because stock status changes. For portable setups, make sure the hose path won't steal your walking space. For most bedrooms, I'd chase the right install first. Choose Friedrich if the window works, or FHWC054TE1 if the room is smaller. Pick FFRA051WAE if controls don't matter, and Midea if mounting is off the table. Links are in the description.